You hear all over the internet how good AI is at trading. In the last 3 months, I actually used it quite a lot and I made it trade autonomously, giving it context, data, and access to my trading account. And it actually lost me 5 trading accounts. So I want to show you now how it looks like. So now you're seeing my screen, and this is the app that I'm using in order to trade. And I'm going to go now in my journal in order for you to see the trades that I have taken. And let's take an example with this one. I want to show you how the AI is thinking through the process. So what is at the moment happening is that AI chose to trade during one of the sessions, and I can now see the trade and what was the reasoning of the AI in order to open that trade. And you can see that it was based on London sweep and then V reversal. It was using some numbers which it decided that are important, and this is part of the context. And you can see that it is using also order blocks, and it is using different price level like a weekly high in order to decide everything that it needs. You can see also it is using a structure, trigger verification, it is using failed retest confirmation, momentum, context layer assessment, and it is also having checks whether this trade is going to be asymmetrical so that we can actually win more than lose. And so from here you can also see its confidence. It is reduced slightly from the maximum because of news. So this is how the AI is thinking in this process. And you can actually see what happened. What happened was that we made an entry, a short entry here, and actually it was almost lost immediately. And this can only show you that AI is actually looking very good at the analysis, but when it wants to make an entry, then the things are not looking so good. All of the lessons that I learned during the time that I traded with AI, I'm going to show you in different videos. I want to show you my current state. Right now, what I'm using AI for is to actually use it as a co-pilot in order for it to help me make good trades. And today, actually, this is one of the days, and this is the first day that I actually started using it in this way. But it already shows how brilliant it can be at analysis. So for example, you can see that I already chatted with it, and I made it to tell me what is the most important things I should know. And before that, it actually gave me the levels that I should understand from the intraday session. So for example, it gave me several resistance and support levels. It also gave me a daily demand base. And based on those levels, I was able to actually trade quite well today. I'm going to go into MetaTrader, for example, to show you these three different trades. Those are taken manually by me. And you can see that those were exactly the places where the AI actually told me that it would be a good idea to maybe take a look. So we can see it probably in this way. So you can see right here, this was the first trade. I took it, and then my target was right here. Although yes, we could have gone to the support level, but I didn't want to be greedy in some way, so I did take it with a smaller target. Right after the engulfing candle. The reason I took the trade was because of the resistance. I saw this engulfing candle, and I saw that afterwards there was no rejections from that engulfing candle, and so I thought that this is going to go down based on also the analysis of the AI. because the day is quite short from a daily range, and it was a good day to take such trades where after a breakout like here we are then looking for a resistance and then selling from that resistance. And on the opposite side, when we reached a support level, then we waited for it to actually turn. And from the support level, when we saw that there is a rejection from that support and the price turned up, then we also took a trade, and then it was hit quite nicely. And the third trade was exactly afterwards, because you can see from the screen that exactly from the support it uses the resistance 1, and from this resistance we were actually able to again wait for the engulfing candle, and again I used a shorter target, and this proved to be quite good as a decision. So this is the process that I have today. In this channel I will continue to show you different mechanisms that I make the AI to be better at trading, different grounding rules, researches and things like that, which are going to help you in your own trading. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.